Hi there. My name is Taylor Oster and I'm the Skyward Coordinator here at Ferris Independent School District. Today I will be showing you how to fill out your Phase 3 commitment form. Starting on October 7th, all other students who have parents who have committed to in-person or on-campus instruction will be permitted to join in the classroom face-to-face. If you are changing your status of your student from face-to-face or virtual to face-to-face for this October 7th Phase 3 period, please fill out this form. If you do not need to make any changes to your student's face-to-face or virtual status, you don't have to fill out this form. In order to get to this form, please go over to our website, www.ferrisisd.org, and then click for Parents and Skyward Family Access. You will have to log into your Family Access account to fill out this form. Click on the icon for Skyward Family Access. Now type in your login ID. If you don't remember your login or password, you can click this option, Forgot Your Login or Password, or contact Central Administration at 972-544-3858, which I may need to do. There we go. Okay, once you log into your Family Access, you'll see this notification on your board. All you have to do to get to the form is click this link right here. Fill out online form for your student. This will take you right here to the first message. It just reinstates what I had mentioned earlier about on October 7th, all campuses are scheduled to reopen for all students who wish to attend on-campus instruction. And then you can pick what type of instruction. To begin the form, just click the first link, number 1, FISD Phase 3 Student Commitment Form. And make sure if you're on a desktop to click View Full Screen. This will be very hard to fill out on a phone, so we do not recommend it. Okay, so again, this is the message that we went over earlier. And then you should see your name, or I'm sorry, your student's name, the campus, and then the graduation year and grade. Answer the question, do you have reliable internet access at home? Do you have a work conflict that prevents you from being home during the day? Is your child enrolled in a dual credit on-ramps or CTE course? Please select one option for your child for the time period following October 7th. This is where you'll make the decision to switch from virtual or face-to-face to virtual. So let's say Johnny, I'd like to commit to face-to-face. This date will say October 7th. And then if your child will be staying home for virtual instruction, make sure that you fill out if they need a daily lunch or breakfast. Okay, and once you're done filling out those fields, we'll just have you sign right here. Check your responses. Select Complete Step 1 only. And now you can either click Next Step or number 2. After you verified that your name and address is correct, click Submit Phase 3 Learning Commitment. Again, you do not have to fill out this form if you are not making any status changes to your student. And then you'll receive this lovely green check that says you are successfully completed. You will also receive a confirmation email stating that Phase 3 commitment form has been complete. If you have any questions, you can call us at 972-544-3858 or be sure to call your campus. Have a great day.